How to check air quality and allergy forecasts in AccuWeather. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to check air quality and allergy forecasts in AccuWeather. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the AccuWeather app or website on your mobile device. Now here in the app, search for your location. Now simply scroll down and find air quality. Once you find it, simply select on it. Here, review the air quality index to assess pollution levels. Now for the allergy updates, again scroll down and find allergy outlook. Again select it. Now you can check the pollen levels and other allergens to help plan your day. So this is how to check air quality and allergy forecast in AccuWeather. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.